welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy. I'm on week 4 of my 16-week Bikini Body challenge slash plan. I am following the Shannon Day, Jennifer Strovo Bikini Body plan. They are both amazing pro athletes, and I'm following their plan. Each week, I'm coming in with updates, journaling, and showing you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and getting into shape, becoming a healthier version of myself. So if you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe. Keep watching. Thanks. So let's talk about week 4. This week, I pushed harder in my workouts, especially leg day, and I started noticing small changes in my stamina and strength. I allowed myself a little cheat meal, enjoying time with my family. The food was delicious, and I had salmon salad with quinoa and a low-calorie alcohol drink, which was even more satisfying knowing I had completed 4 weeks of my challenge. I am so grateful for my family's support and encouragement. Without them, I know I would have gave in to temptations, and for that, I am grateful. Decided to try my new Ray-Bans and see how they work. Having fun in the gym and liking what I see. Let's keep doing it. We got this. Hey, I want to talk about mindset. So by week 4, a lot of us are giving up because we're not seeing the results that we think we should be seeing. The scale isn't moving as fast, or my clothes don't fit as great as I thought they would, and I put in all this effort and work. But you got to remember that mind over matter, you are getting there. It's a slow process. It's never overnight. It didn't take overnight to get it on. It's not going to take overnight to get it off. So you're going to have to work at it. But let's not give up. I know in the past I have given up at this point because I just decide sometimes it's better just to be the junkie that I was instead of just keep on pushing forward. So different ways that you can help yourself so that you don't fall into that rut is to journal. Journal your progress, journal your wins. Make sure you're drinking your water. You're still getting in your walks in between your workouts. You're eating all your protein, because that's a big one. And also just maybe take some measurements and photos, because those side by sides and those measurements count 100 times more than what you're seeing every day in the mirror. You see yourself 24/7. Others who haven't seen you, take their wins. Whenever they tell you a great comment, what are you doing? How did you do it? That is when you want to be like, I'm doing it. I'm getting there. And I'm seeing results through other people's comments, and just know that you're doing this for more than just the looks. You're doing it for a healthier version of yourself, inside and out. So stick with it. Don't give up, because I know, like I said, me in the past, I have. And I don't want you to. I want us to both make it to the end of week 16 and say we did this, and then start something else. I don't know what, but something else, something greater and for the good. So keep on working at it. Don't give up. Journal, drink your water, and we've got this. I'll see you in week 5. Let's keep pushing. My living room's a mess because I'm in the process of packing my bag for Myrtle Beach. These are going to be my workout clothes. I plan on going to one of the hot yogas and doing hot yoga or hot Pilates. My night clothes, my daytime clothes, and I have no clue where my medicine's going to fit. I brought my gloves because I plan on going to the gym while I'm over there. So check out next week's video, because I'm heading to Myrtle Beach. I'm only there for 4 days, but we're going to have fun. As you saw, I'm packing for Myrtle Beach. We're going to be leaving this Wednesday for 4 days. I'm almost done packing. I'm looking forward to it. A little vacation with the family. Week 5 will be spent in Myrtle Beach. Yay! I can't wait. We are moving into phase 2 of the Shannon Day and Jennifer Strovo plan.
So check it out. The moves are going to be changing. The calories are slightly going to change a little bit. They're going to drop a little bit, not by much. The protein is going to go up by 5 grams, and we're going to stay on track as much as we can. Again, we're on vacation next week for a little bit, so I am going to enjoy my life. I'm going to hang out with my family, but I am going to make healthier choices. I'm probably going to skip on the dessert. I might add a little drink to my dinner, but we're going to have fun, and that's what it's all about. Getting in shape, but still having fun. You're allowed to splurge here and there, just not allowed to overindulge. And that's what we got to remember. Keeping on track where we can and enjoying life when we need to. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week and week 5. Bye. Thanks for watching.